poppin', you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hazel X6 and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be my dorm tour. If you guys don't know, my name is Trinity. I attend George Mason University, where I am a sophomore psychology major, and I stay in the townhouses, which is considered off-campus housing, but it's still like Mason housing, if you get what I'm saying. It's newly renovated and it's really nice. I do stay in a double, so I do have a roommate, and I also have two other housemates that stay in doubles. We each have our own bathroom. Like within the doubles, we have our own bathrooms. So yeah, it's really nice. It's like an actual house. So it is a full kitchen, a full living room. It's a half bath downstairs, upstairs and downstairs. A lot of storage area. Our room is really big. I am not going to show my roommate's side. I'm just going to show my side, but you all will get the full gist of the room because I am going to do like a full like layover, like you're going to see the entire room or whatever. But yeah, you guys, let's get right into this video. So when you first walk in, you just have, the regular door. We don't have anything on the door or on this wall, but we do have a mirror right here. Y'all can see my little house shoes. They're cute, right? But we do have a mirror right here that we were going to hang up somewhere, but we just haven't gotten around to it yet. And then as soon as you walk in the door, you come right here. This is our little bathroom area. I got this rug from Target last year, and I just decided to put it right here because we kind of needed something in this area. And then Jazz got this mirror last year. I'm assuming it's from Walmart because it's Mainstay. This is the sink area. This is brand new marble sinks. Everything's really new. I don't know about the mirrors and stuff or like the faucets, but I know the cabinets and the cabinet countertops are new. Right here we just have our medicine cabinet, which is mirrored, and then we just keep, I have my olive oil up here, my African black soap for my face, and then Jazz has some vitamin E oil for her face, and then our toothpaste and like floss. And then right here we have a little fixture. This is Jazz's mouthwash, toothbrushes, hand soap, and then a paper towel holder, and then I have my face cloth right there. And then we do have two little signs right here, and then I got both of these from Ice last year. I never put them up in my room, but I decided to put them right here just so it can be, something in this little corner. And then through this door, we have our actual bathroom, and then this is also newly renovated. I don't know about the toilet, but I know the flooring is, and I think the actual tub is also. You can see we have shelving up here, and then the typical tub shelving, and then we also have shelving right here, and I guess you can put your washcloth right there too. We just have shampoo, soap, body wash, loofah, whatever. This is a tub shower, which is amazing. Right now our water is like not hot, like it's like lukewarm. So yeah, it's good and bad with this place. And then we have a toilet thing, all that other foolishness. So coming out of the bathroom and you walk this way, you'll see my side of the room. And this is just a general overview. And then you have my closet, Jazz's closet, and then Jazz's side of the room. So starting off with my closet area, these are two-door closets, which is amazing. And it's a lot more space than what we had last year. So up top, I just keep my steamer, some extra pads, and my clothing basket. And then on the sides, I do have a shoe organizer with all of my shoes. I tend to keep my sandals at the top, and then like my tennis shoes, and then my heels at the bottom. And then I have boots right there. These are not all of them, but like my winter boots are at home. And then I have my clothes. I tried to color code everything in, like group everything, so like long sleeve, short sleeve, skirts and pants, casual dresses, like corporate clothing, like business clothing, party clothes, and like sundresses, then hoodies, rain jackets, miscellaneous jackets, sweaters, leather jacket, jean jacket, and then like my coats and like dusters in the back. And then at the bottom I have like these two rose gold bins that I got from At Home last year, and then I got these two bins from I think Target last year. And then this bin, both of these bins is just hair stuff. This is like hats. I have hair in it, like I have my wigs, I have like bundles in it. I have a lot of different stuff in that one. And in that one I have mostly my hair products, my dryer, my flat iron, curling iron, hair products, brushes, whatever is in there. And then I have my towels, washcloths, hand towels, and then extra like laundry stuff, extra bath stuff, hand soaps and stuff like that. My desk area right now, I just have this on it. I have this little rose gold bin from Walmart. I got that this year when I moved in, and I just keep my lotion, coconut oil for my face, deodorant, a lot of perfume, witch hazel, cotton rounds, and then my Mario Badescu spray, as well as my almost gone got to be glue for my wigs. I have some baby oil right here, some dirty and busted sunglasses, my other prescription glasses, my makeup container. I got these off Amazon. Starting from the top, I have my I just got this box for my mom, and I just keep all of my jewelry in here. So I have my earrings, my Alex and Ani bracelets, any of my rings, any of that goes in here. And then I have some knickknacks. I have a keychain right here, a card for something, I don't even know what it's for. And then Trent left this. Trent is my brother. He left this here, and I've just had it there since move-in day. And then I have my 3 beauty blenders, and then I have in my drawers hair and makeup stuff. So I have like my sewing needles for my wigs, clips, and then this is mostly just like my hairpins, and then stockings and hair ties for my puffs and buns. And then in this drawer I just have my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and then my chocolate bar palette from Too Faced, I think that's what it's called. And then I just have my Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette in this one. So right here I keep all of my eye stuff, my lash glues, eye glitters, eye glitter glue. I have some highlighters in here, eyeliners, eyebrow pomades, and all that good stuff is in here. I keep my mascaras in this one. My concealers all go in this drawer, and then this drawer is all lip products. I have a lot, and I don't even use it. And then all of this is foundations, and then I do have a primer in the back. And this drawer has become my lashes drawer, but I also have, also have primer, setting spray, and a little eyeshadow palette. I think this is, yeah, the Smashbox Fire palette. A Blaze palette, yeah. And at the very bottom, I have all of my face powder. So I have highlighters, bronzers, eyeshadow, powder, and then I have another powder down there, and then I have my Airspray powder. And then I have my Morphe palette. This is a Morphe 3502 palette. Here I just have my brushes. I still have like my comb and then my edge brushes in here also. And then I have like highlighters, colorful pens, and scissors and other pens right there. Right here, this is just, I got this mirror from Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond last year, and it lights up, but like it needs more battery, so it's like dying. And then I have lip glosses. This is broke, so I just have my eyeglass case to sit it up. My eyeliner that I use for a lip liner, and then gum. And then I have birth control, a card that my grandma got me. I don't know where my mom got this lamp from, but I think she got it from At Home. And yeah, it's really, really bright. And then I got this mirror from the dollar store last year for like $20, and it was originally like bronze, but I painted it white, and then like I messed up, but it adds to it because like you can see like the texture to it in some areas, so it just like adds some pizzazz to it. And then right here in this drawer, I just keep a lot of miscellaneous stuff. I have paints, tissues, makeup wipes, some pills. It's just a lot of stuff in here. This is a random drawer, really. In this drawer, I keep all of my books. Not my books, but like my binders for class. I don't really use binders that much, but if I need to, I have them. And then I keep all of my textbooks, and then my important documents, and extra pens and extra pencils in here. Jeez Louise. I got this blanket from Home Goods, I think. Home Goods or TJ Maxx last year for like $15, and it's held up really good for it to be white, and I'm taking it like everywhere. And in this drawer, it's another kind of like miscellaneous drawer. I have like my phone case in there. I have my planner, some journals, stickers, a poetry book, journals, stickers, a poetry book, and then some miscellaneous stuff right here also. And then under my bed, I have my trash can that really needs to be dumped. My trunk, in my trunk, I usually keep like extras, like extra clothing items, not like clothing, but like bedding items. So I have like my comforter from last year, sheets, pillowcases, and then my pillow from last year in there also. And then also down here, I have my suitcase right there. This is also extra stuff. I just don't know why it's in there. I just have it in there. My clothing dirty clothes basket. My makeup case that's broken. My book bag. This is what I use with my purse for school, and I just use that as a book bag. And then my wig is like right there. Let's go over to my bed. I got my bedspread from JCPenney's for like $35, I think. Yeah, for $35 while I was on sale. I got this pillow right here, this furry but dirty, not dirty, but like this furry but like messed up now. Pillow from, I think, Target last year, and I got this one from Target last year, and I bought this gorgeous pillow from At Home. I was looking for this literally everywhere. Like I kept seeing it on like Pinterest and other YouTubers, YouTube channels with their dorm tours and stuff. I was like, I need it, and then I found it on accident one day, and it was like $10. That was the best $10 I've ever spent. But onto like my pictures. So right here, I got this one from the nursery section at Hobby Lobby, and it's just, you know, little lashes, you know, like this, and like the ones I have on. Then I have She Believed She Could, So She Did. I love Danielle Carolyn, and I actually got that from her. So not from her exactly, but like the quote idea from her, and I got that from the nursery section at Home Goods. Y'all, don't sleep on the nursery sections of places, because you will find some bomb stuff in here. Like anything that I haven't made, like if it's not from Ice, I got it from the nursery section at Hobby Lobby, so don't sleep on it. I actually made this one. It says, "Tell Your Mountains About My God," and I took this picture from like Pinterest, and I just did it myself. I just remade it, and then I just added the quote myself. And then I have this one. She is clothed with strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. I got that one from, you named it, the nursery section at Hobby Lobby. And then this picture I also took. This is from Morgan Harper Nichols, and I don't know if this is her painting. Like I don't know if I just stole her painting, which I didn't mean to. I didn't know at the time. But yeah, I just saw it on Pinterest, and I decided to remake it because I really, really liked it. It doesn't really match anything, but it still looks really good. Like I really like how it fits in well. So right here, I have my few hats. I have a Nike hat, I have a pink California hat, and I have a khaki polo hat. And then I have my purses in this area. I keep like my satchel purses right here, and then my two bigger ones right there. And then in the corner right here, I just have my book bag that I don't use, and then I have another big purse right there. On top of my dresser, I have my printer, and then I have this bin. In here, I just keep all of my panties. And then in this drawer, I have bras, socks, and bathing suits right here. In the second drawer, I just have night clothes, and then I keep a lot of t-shirts in here for my hair. I have crop tops, bodysuits, other crop tops, and then all of my t-shirts are right there. In this one, I have shorts and skirts, sweatpants, matching sets, and fabric shorts. And then I have all of my jeans, and they are color coded, so it's from lightest to darkest. I think on the side of it, I just keep my tripod for when I film, just so it's like easy access, and then it really just works out for me. But yeah, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and more than anything, subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys next time.